So as you guys may have noticed, I have made a lot of shoe related videos recently, and I promise this is one of the last ones we're going to do for quite a while. So if you're not really into shoes, then I'm sorry, but that's just kind of what I've been making. Anyway, let's get on with the review. Hey guys, I'm Callum from CIR Inventions, and today I will be reviewing the Pureboost Go. So this is a Pureboost Go. It's a very simple, pretty clean shoe using the Boost sole, which I've been very interested in as of recently. And I've had these shoes for about a month now, so I feel like now is a good time to do the review instead of a few weeks ago when I first got them, as you could see in the Adidas Soles video. And I'll link that video right over here, I'm not actually sure. The Pureboost Go is an Adidas shoe made with the Boost foam, which is known for being super soft and very springy and extremely comfortable overall. The laces are flat, not oval shaped, so they're pretty durable, easy to tie. The meshy part on top is very flexible, not super stretchy as you can see, but it's still pretty comfortable, pretty breathable, and overall is a very light shoe, so that's nice. And moving down to the sole, you can see all this Boost, very squishy. I'm gonna get some on feet so you can see how much it really squishes. I don't know if you can see this, but you can, if you like push down onto the Boost foam pretty hard, it squishes down pretty well. And to round off, down on the bottom we have this rubber outsole. It's made from Continental rubber, which is also used on tires. This shoe, unlike most of its Boost counterparts, is actually made for running specifically and then lifestyle. Of course, I use it as a mix of both because I think the shoes are very comfortable and I still need a pair of running shoes since I run quite a bit. Either way, the shoe does a good job in both lifestyle and running, and since it's so lightweight, it's great for running. It's very breathable, which makes it good for lifestyle, and it's very comfortable, which is great for both. The shoe comes in at about $120 retail, which is very reasonable, especially for a Boost shoe when you have something like Ultra Boost Yeezy, which can cost more than $180. So if you're looking for a good looking Boost shoe that's pretty cheap and you can find pretty much everywhere, look no further than the Pureboost Go. Overall, I think the Pureboost Go is a great shoe, and out of 5 stars, I'd give it about 4.5. I'd say the shoe is almost perfect, except I feel like that top layer might tear pretty easily due to your big toe like poking up into it. And the Boost sole is all white, so it's gonna get dirty very easily, but neither one of those are really big deals until you've had the shoes for a while. And overall, super comfortable, great running shoes, great overall lifestyle shoes, and good shoes overall. Very durable, and really good looking if you ask me. Anyway, that's my entire review. I'm Callum from CIR Inventions, and I will see you in the next video.